Coinbase announced the possibility of regulatory action against it on Wednesday after the U.S. federal securities watchdog sent a so-called Wells notice to the crypto exchange. The name Wells Notice is derived from the Wells Committee of the SEC, which proposed this process in 1972. This SEC committee was named after John A. Wells, its chair. The other members of the committee were former SEC Chairmen Manuel F. A Wells Notice is a letter sent by a securities regulator to a prospective respondent, notifying him of the substance of charges that the regulator intends to bring against the respondent, and affording the respondent with the opportunity to submit a written statement to the ultimate decision maker. In this video, we will discuss the Wells Notice sent to Coinbase, how Coinbase executives reacted to it, and SEC's crackdown against crypto. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. While you are already here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. SEC sends Wells Notice to Coinbase. The Securities and Exchange Commission, aka SEC, stated in its notice that the Nasdaq-listed crypto exchange violated U.S. securities law by providing unregistered securities. As a result, the regulator intends to take additional action against Coinbase, which may include an injunction or a cease and desist order. However, the warning is lacking in specifics. It is also unclear whether the authority is indicating whether specific Coinbase action breaches the country's laws. Based on discussions with the staff, the company believes these potential enforcement actions would relate to aspects of the company's spot market, staking service Coinbase Earn, Coinbase Prime, and Coinbase Wallet, Coinbase stated in a regulatory filing. The potential civil action may seek injunctive relief, disgorgement, and civil penalties. The Wells Notice is preliminary in nature and simply informs about the regulator's findings against a corporation that may result in enforcement measures. The SEC's letter to Coinbase gave the cryptocurrency exchange until March 29 to respond to the regulator's allegations. Coinbase executives reacted strongly. Meanwhile, Coinbase Chief Legal Officer, Paul Grewal, publicly criticized the SEC for being unclear in its conduct. Today's Wells Notice does not provide a lot of information for us to respond to. The SEC staff told us they have identified potential violations of securities law, but little more. We asked the SEC specifically to identify which assets on our platforms they believe may be securities, and they declined to do so, Grewal wrote in a blog post. Today's Wells Notice also comes after Coinbase provided multiple proposals to the SEC about registration over the course of months, all of which the SEC ultimately refused to respond to. Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, also slammed the U.S. federal regulator in a series of tweets. The SEC simply has not been fair, reasonable, or even demonstrated a seriousness of purpose when it comes to its engagement on digital assets. Armstrong tweeted. SEC's crackdown against crypto. According to industry sources, the SEC is also mailing Wells notices to two stablecoin issuers, Circle and Paxos. However, neither company has verified this. Meanwhile, the New York State Department of Financial Services, or NYDFS, is apparently investigating Paxos. The warning against Coinbase was issued on the same day that the SEC filed lawsuits against Tron creator Justin Sun for participating in wash trades with the Tronix or TRX token and offering TRX and BitTorrent or BTT tokens, both of which are unregistered securities. The lawsuit also named 8 American celebrities for promoting TRX and/or BTT without disclosing that they were paid. These names are actress and singer Lindsay Lohan, social media influencer and professional boxer Jake Paul, rapper and record producer DeAndre Soulja Boy Way, singer Austin Mahone, rapper and record producer Miles Lil Yachty McCullum, singer Schaefer Neo Smith, singer and entrepreneur Leon Akon Thiam, and adult actress Michelle Mason aka Kendra Lust. What is your reaction to the Wells notice sent to Coinbase, and do you agree with Paul Grewal and Brian Armstrong? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Let us know if you have any feedback for us. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep investing in crypto.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.